Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Windows 11 black screen with a cursor after login. So if your screen turns black right after entering your password, but you can still see the mouse pointer, don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can basically get your desktop back. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when your screen is black but the cursor is visible, you need to immediately press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key in order to open your task manager just like so. Now if the task manager doesn't show you, you can just simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete key and choose it from the menu. Now here inside your task manager, you need to simply go to the file section, and after that you need to run a new task. So here, after clicking on this particular option, you will see this type of small pop-up in front of you. Over here you need to enter this command, which looks something like this, which is explorer.exe, and then you need to hit enter. Now as soon as you hit enter, your taskbar and your desktop icons should instantly reappear. So if it works, you can just simply restart your PC like you normally do, and the issue is likely relating to the startup glitch, which is going to be fixed if you use this particular method. Now if this particular method isn't working for you and you still see that black screen after rebooting, you just have to again restart your PC and press Shift plus 8, or you can also hold the power button 3 times to trigger the recovery menu. Now once you are inside the recovery menu, there will be the advanced options. In the advanced options, you need to go to the startup settings. There you will find a safe mode. So in the safe mode, you will have to click on the option of start, and there you will find the option of device manager. So here, once you are in the device manager, you need to simply click on the option of display adapter. After that, you need to uninstall your GPU driver. Then restart your Windows, and your Windows will reinstall a fresh display driver automatically for you. And this is also going to fix most of the display related black screen issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.